GCU's got a tremendous reputation here in the Valley. We've been around for 50-some years, and just with our recent switch from a profit organization to a nonprofit, we gained additional credibility here when it comes to employers and students and just the community in general. We've had an opportunity to really kind of fine-tune the message, the lessons, the curriculum, the projects, the assignments that are going to be completed, so that a student that goes through this boot camp is going to have all of that experience at their disposal when it comes down to what do they need to learn to be marketable when they go into the workforce.
A good student for the job of boot camp will be someone who is passionate about problem solving, someone who is resourceful, analytical, and creative. I select the right topics for our boot camp by looking at what are the popular technologies used in the field, and a lot of that is gained from prior experience I've had in the field. In a typical day, we cover our topics on a day-by-day basis, and we also do practice examples in terms of I'm doing an example and the students are just observing and not typing along. They do examples along with me, and then I assign them individual examples which I later cover the answer for.
Here at Petroleum X, and I'm a junior web developer, really starting from just taking the knowledge out of the boot camp, the full stack range of information that we were taught, from the front end to the script to the database to the back end, kind of that whole full stack experience. So my experience out of the boot camp was with all of those different stacks of technology. I really enjoy working in all of them, and it's been a great kind of transition from the boot camp into the web developer role to be able to make use of all of that information and skill sets that we were introduced to in the boot camp.
From day one, you have career counselors that are working with you to make sure that your experience is what you need it to be. Whether it's helping you with finances, or if it's how do you prepare your resume, or how do you get ready for an interview, job fairs on campus, all those resources and assets are available to students. And then we also partner with a lot of our organizations across the Valley that are hiring our students. So we bring in people that will, again, help you with the interview process, look at your resumes, and tell you what kind of things you need to be prepared for when you go, maybe your first day on a job, or when you're going through the interview process.
What I love about the GCU model, and this is coming from somebody who's had exposure to the different educational institutions here in the Valley, the different education providers for programming, is there this perfect blend between having the backing of a large institution along with having the flexibility and adaptability of some of the smaller boot camp models. I think they're the perfect blend to give you the support you need to be successful in your career, along with adjusting and adapting to technology as it comes up in the industry.